Okay, welcome. Today there is snow on the ground and we are out checking out the greenhouses. We have two greenhouses here. We just put them up this winter. We're still getting them set up inside. They are 30 by 96 feet long. One fan, 2 livers per greenhouse. We'll just go ahead and step inside this one. It was about 25 degrees yesterday. It was 75 in here. As you can see, sorry about the audio. Forgot my mic. Here's our little makeshift door closer. Oh, you guys are fogging up, aren't you? Trying to clean you off there. I think you can see. I don't know. But it's still slowly drying out in here. But 4 fans, 4 Stir-Rator fans. Are you guys clean? I think you're clean. 4 fans, those Stir-Rator fans. There will be a door right there. But yeah, it'll be tomatoes. It'll be 7. Man, I can't keep anything from fogging up. It will be 7 rows wide. Then 2 Modine. I think they're 120 BTUs. Let's see, yeah, something like that. 120, 150. Something like that. Anyway, as you can see, at least down here on the ground level, it's 62 degrees. We'll go over to the other one. Okay, it's probably just gonna fog up again, but we'll see. This one, same as the last. Shut this door right here. Same as the last one. Same setup, except for we're missing a fan that goes on that box right there. Oh man, you guys are from fog moist. The fog moisters. There we go. Yeah. Let's go see what the temperature is. This, whoop, it's turned off right there. But you tell that. This one has this on here. The box fennel. Let's see here. Back wall fans. Here we go. Should have turned this thing on. Once again, 2 Modine heaters. Keep it clear here. 2 Modine heaters. Let's see. Oh, it's not on. Let me go see if I can get it on. Okay, I think we got it turned on. Yeah, would you look at that? It is now. I don't know if you can see that or not. The glare might be too bad. Read it sideways here. Ah, this thing's a piece of junk. 70 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. 70 degrees in here. It's quite incredible. It's, yeah. But anyway, the house actually over there, we are gonna turn into hopefully lettuce next year. So that is our greenhouse. Hopefully there'll be a lot more videos to come. But yeah, so that's all I got today. So we're gonna grow some tomatoes and lettuce, hopefully. Hopefully sell the tomatoes at auction and lettuce at the grocery store is the plan anyway. It's the plan. So I don't know. Will's pretty gung-ho about the lettuce. I'm not so sure about it though.